Welcome back to Papa's house. I'm the Game Papa, and we're back with more Metal Wolf Chaos XD. Quite possibly the most American game that has ever been created. I mean, everything about this game just amused me. Now, when we last left off, we managed to get over two of the most annoying missions that I hated from the original. I just couldn't stand it. Now we're back to the essence, which is a mission to take down the Vice President in Las Vegas, Sin City.
The Vice President, Richard Hawk, waits for you in Las Vegas.
He better.
My only advice to you is this. Beat him to a pulp.
Are you sure that you are not homicidal?
This mission goes by the call name...
Yeah?
Good luck and Godspeed, Mr. President.
That is surprisingly quaint, and you didn't say that last line. Jody, you missed a line. What the heck? That is...
I believe in you.
Oh, of course, you repeat that line. Dang. Alright, well, I guess the fun is off to a good start. Let's get this over with, shall we? Oh man, Metal Wolf Chaos, you're just a constant source of amusement for me. Yeah. Ooh, look at my big guns. It's so big that it's causing clipping. Yeah, Richard.
Oh, Michael, you're so sweet.
I know, aren't I?
And for that, I owe you.
Uh-huh.
You canceled all my dreams and plans. So now I've got a nice little present for you.
Really? You do, huh?
Here.
Oh, hey. Aha, yeah, there's two of them.
Let me ask you one last thing. What do you want on your tombstone?
Pepperoni. No,
What
wait.
do you want to say, huh, Michael?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure what is the one. What are you? Wow! Oh yeah, I forgot about that tiny little trick. Yeah, you can cut the. This is supposed to be harrowing.
Who's boss, Mr. President?
Yes, I did. This boss fight is supposed to be harrowing, but you know, all of those trouble.
My footwork.
Great.
Richard,
Yay.
now try dancing with me.
Oh yeah.
Show's gonna run all night.
I hope not, because I have a date soon. Oh hey, come back here. Whoa, cool. Okay, so yeah, that's a tiny little trick that I learned a little too late when I was playing the original game. Instead of dealing with two bosses at once, you can just deal with one of them by shooting at the bridge. Remember in Grand Canyon? Well, the bridges was, giving me a whole lot of grief. By making me stand over it and falling off under my feet. Well, apparently here there's some tiny bit of revenge where you can... Richard! Hey, Richie! Where are you, my man? Where are you? Richie, my man? My man. Ooh! Ooh, so much poker chips. Chips. Ooh. Hey, Richie! What's up, Richie, my dude? What's up? Oh. Ooh, am I putting the hurt on you, Richie?
Sweet.
How did you make the robot clap?
So sweet, Michael. Like gulping a cup of condensed milk.
What? That's lesson.
Think you can kill me, huh?
I know I can kill you, Richie, my dude. Oh, up there. Alright,
He's on the move. Chase
I-
after him, Mr. President.
I know. I'm pretty sure there is there's nothing here that can help me, but I like to blow stuff up and, make it... Oh, I was wrong. There are stuff here that can help me. But the shield units. Okay, where's Richie, my boy? My boy, Richie. I'm wasting ammo here, aren't I? I'm wasting ammo searching for something that's possibly not there, so whatever. Aya! I'm having way too much fun though. And isn't that the entire point of video game? Just to have fun. Richie can wait. I'm gonna smash everything. Smashy! Smashy, smashy. Smashy, smashy. You're just gonna have to be patient with me. You know? Ooh, these childish joys of mine. Smash everything.
The vice president either lost at slots or ran out the back. Go after him, Mr. President.
Yeah, I know. He's right over here. Okay. Right over. Yeah? Here? No. No, that way. That way. Right? Where is he? Richie, yoo-hoo! Oh, I got it wrong. He was on the second floor, but he's on all the way over there. That is bad. That is bad, game. You didn't even hint on which way he's going. You just told me that somewhere on the second floor. I mean, that's the kind of thing that I'm, that I got against, Metal Wolf Chaos, as awesome as it is. A lot of the game is what you call it? It's features that works in. Whoa. Oh, hey, hi. How are you guys? Okay, so you didn't blow up. That's good.
Richard, you can run, but you can't hide.
Yes. Oh God.
You coward.
Yeah. Michael.
Wayne? He's a coward. I can't win. So shoot me, Michael. Or are you a chicken?
Oh, you want me to shoot you?
Knock that jerk off the roof. Show
Fine.
who'll have the last laugh.
Oh, I'll shoot you. Oh, I'll shoot, buddy. I'll shoot, buddy boy, if that's what you want me to do. Where is he? Where is he though? Oh, he's flying! How? He's flying. How am I supposed to bring him down? Ah, there we go. Yeah, try to land. He's flying. How the heck am I supposed to make him land? Oh, bingo. He's down.
You break it, you bought it, Michael. You'll pay for the damages with your life.
Oh. Ricky, my boy? You have no idea what you're saying. I'm ready for you, Richie boy.
Now, Michael.
Yes? Okay.
Shall I take you to the next stage?
Take me. Take me, my boy. Take me. Take me if you can. Drink me as I am.
Again. Chase after him, Mr. President.
Where is he? I am pretty sure there's a bunch of... Yes, I need this. Why you... This stage is just pure joy compared to the previous one. Pure, unadulterated, destructive joyo. Joyo? Where? I don't know. Ooh. Yes. Gimme. Not the pickups.
How lovely, eh, Michael?
Yep, it is.
Doesn't knowing that it all ends here kind of get your adrenaline going?
Oh, of course you can boost infinitely in the cutscene.
Richard! Michael!
Hi. Oh my god. The voice work in this game is just fantastic.
All to ourselves.
Do we really?
It ends here.
Oh yes, yes it does. One way or another, it's gonna end right here. Oh boy. You ain't joking.
Michael, take it and duck it in.
Oh no 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 no! Oh!
Looks like you were fresh out of justice tonight, eh? Could you look after me from heaven?
I forgot. He has an incredibly cheap move. That one that I have to dodge. Dang it! Alright, fine, I have to redo everything. Oh man. Drop him. Boom.
What a relief.
Yeah.
You showed him who's boss, Mr. President.
I sure did. Ah man.
Bravo.
Yeah, whatever. I forgot he has that incredibly cheap move that I have to dodge, otherwise he's gonna destroy me. It's and once he hit you with it, you cannot dodge it. So you're stun locked immediately until you die. How's that fair? Of course, this is Richard Hawk we're talking about here. He doesn't fight fair. Ah man, I can't believe I have to redo everything. You know what? I'm gonna edit this. Yeah, I'm gonna edit this. And I'm gonna, yeah. Instead of what you guys watching me have to trek through the entire thing all over again, I'm gonna just show you when I finally took him on. Hey, buddy boy. Hi. Yeah, I'm editing this. Don't worry. Okay, we're back again with round two. Wow. Oh man. Oh. I gotta watch out for his nonsense attack. You know, the one that got me into trouble before. Oh, you can jump into the water? Really? You're allowed to do that? Okay. I think I'm gonna join you in a little bit, Richard.
Nice one, Michael.
Uh-oh.
Take it and
Uh-oh.
die. And take it to your grave.
Ow!
And all you got to
That won't affect you.
weak, pathetic. Killing you is easier than breaking a baby's arm.
Why would you break a baby's arm?
Scream for me. Listen to me.
That is all kinds of wrong, Richard. Yes! You're a villain. You're not a super villain. Breaking a baby's arm.
Hell it is.
Language, please. Oh, in cutscenes, the dash is infinite. Yes, it is. It is a space shuttle.
Hey, Mr. President.
Yes.
Mr. President?
Yeah. No. He's up there, Johnny. Oh, it's so epic.
Pointless, Mr. President.
No, it's not. It's epic.
Pointless.
Yes.
And the
The reason is.
because I'm the president of the great United States of America.
Yes, sir. Yes, you are indeed.
Jody, I'm gonna step up outer space. See you soon.
Go. And I believe this is the last campaign. Okay. Yeah. So I managed to. Ooh, I got an S. Ooh, really? An S rank? An S rank for a subpar performance like that? I've given over 10 years of my life to this profession, and no scene has ever engraved itself on my mind the way this one did. 2 men, 2 ideals, 1 outcome. I cannot imagine where we could all stand now had things gone the other way. Probably not standing at all.
Yes, and very pleased about my first flight in space.
Are you really?
I just wish I'd brought my camera.
Oh my god.
Mr. President, be sure and come back now.
Yes.
The American people are waiting for you.
I am the President of the United States
And,
of America.
and soon I shall be the president of space too.
I'll be back.
You stole that line from Arnold.
Right, Mr. President.
Please continue to update me as the battle goes on.
Cool.
Sure. Leave it to me.
Great, okay.
And contact the Japanese embassy. Tell them we can hold that wildlife protection conference.
What? That is so totally random. That's like completely out of nowhere. Space station, taken on the Vice President.
The President has fortified the U.S.'s state-of-the-art space colony. He has concentrated an army of elite soldiers there with the plan to invade America from space.
Why?
Knowing the Vice President's sinister nature, I predict he has some unexpected trump card up his sleeve.
Yay.
You must be victorious at all costs. The reason is because you're the president of this great land.
And that is the only president reason that I need. Believe in your own justice.
Believe in your own justice.
That is so wrong. It can only be right.
Mr. President.
Oh my God. Believing in your own justice is what gave you this, you know, that orange man face that destroys people, people's lives and livelihood. But I guess when this game was made, nobody thought that this kind of parody could ever cross over into the real life. It's just too ridiculous. It's impossible to happen. Alright. Okay, so, ooh. Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, yes, yes.
Chasing 15 million feet after me. Now that's love.
Cool.
I love you too, Michael. I
Oh.
love you so much. I can't stand it. So much. I want to kill you.
Okay. Are we going into Yandere's territory now? God.
Hold it, Richard!
Not helpful, sir.
Hurry up now.
Not for long. Take a long last look at the 200 billion stars in the Milky Way. Of all man's achievements in the 21st century,
What are you talking about?
is the climax.
It is indeed. It is indeed, because there's a lot of bang, bang, bang. And it's a time mission too, so no, no, no. Oh man, it's a time mission.
Where are you heading? Come back.
Where am I going? Oh, here. Okay. Yeah.
Mr. President, the barrier's shut. You won't be able to advance if you don't destroy it.
How do I destroy the barrier? Oh, just destroy it like this. How do I destroy the barrier? How do? Oh, like that, huh? Okay. Fantastic. Cool. Cool and lovely. Why? Okay. Cool and lovely. Okay. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, very. Oh Barry, I love you so much. Why am I singing? I don't know what I'm singing. I don't know what I'm doing. I kill lots and lots of hostages. That's not how this is supposed to go. Why am I turning this into a musical? I don't know. I don't care. Do you? Oh boy. Boy. No. Keep blasting it. Why? Where have wild thoughts? Why?
That gate doesn't look like it can be destroyed. Mr. President, this might be my biggest hunch of the 21st century, but hurry up and destroy it.
Yeah. Cool. Punch? Is that it? That's your reasoning? Cool. Yes, destroy. Ah, man, I hate time mission. I really do. And I think this is the game that, that started me on hating time missions. Man, 160, really?
it to bits.
Okay. Whoa. Wow. Oh, now I got a boost. Okay. Now I got infinite boost. Very cool. Very naughty. Very naughty. Hi, Richard.
Richard!
Yay.
What do you stand for, Michael? Be certain now. As certain as the blood gushing out of your nose when I bash it in. Be
Your
certain
simile is so weird.
death here and now.
Whoa. Ayo. Aya. Oh, Ditto.
Now, come at me with all your body and soul.
Now that's what a mecha is supposed to look like.
Hug you to death.
Please don't hug me to death.
How do you like me now?
Oh my god. Oh yes, I forgot. Yeah, this guy. Right there, at the front. Oh man. Oh no. Oh, energy doesn't work. Yes, energy weapon doesn't work. So line it up with this. There we go. Ow!
President, the fuselage damage rate is above 50%.
Nice one, Michael. But
Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're gonna transform.
it's time for my wild card.
Yep. Okay.
Shaking in your heels, senorita, and fight like a man.
But I'm a senorita.
Now for the finale.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
Mr. President, the fuselage damage rate is over 70%.
Hey, why are you so damn weak? Let God pity your incompetence.
Uh-oh. Ah, dang.
My Medal of Honor.
Ah, man.
You're pathetic, Michael.
I keep forgetting how to do this.
Who entrusted their futures to you?
Yeah. Dang. I keep forgetting how to do this. Well, at least I didn't have to repeat from very far. Well, I do. Ah, dang. Okay. I'll redo it so, I'll redo it so you don't have to watch me fail again. Please wait. Okay. So, this song is just too epic. But yeah. This is my third try. With, not even my third try. This is the third time you see it. This is the third time that you will see it. But this has been numerous tries. So I finally managed to get his life down to almost nothing. Almost nothing. And I gotta. How indeed? How do you like me now indeed? How do you like me now indeed? Die!
Never.
Always! What the heck? What the yag?
I'll never lose to you, Michael.
Oh my god. Merry Christmas? Why?
Mr. President,
What?
hurry and destroy it.
Oh yeah, easy to you to say, Jody. Dang. You're not the one who has a time limit on your head.
How do you like me
Are you like me now? Oh my god. Merry Christmas, what the heck? Oh god. It looks like a cartoon. Like, what the hell? What the heck is this? Oh my god.
Richard!
This is supposed to be a dramatic moment.
At angle, he'll burn up like a shooting star.
He always wants to be the brightest star in the sky.
I'm
Well,
going in.
no.
Impossible. Not even you
Uh-huh.
can possibly stop a shooting star.
Joey,
Right.
who am I? I'm the president.
Oh
I
god.
always make the impossible possible.
Really?
And I'm gonna keep on doing so.
Oh my god. Oh yes. Now that's a president I will vote for. Oh my god. I can't even vote.
Michael?
Richard, it's
This
the
is love.
methods that were flawed. Our love for America won't change.
This is supposed to be dramatic and
Richard!
what?
This is one eternal flame with your justice.
And there he goes, Psycho Vice President.
Mr. President, you've exceeded the critical point. There's no way out.
Yeah, do.
Mr. President? Mr. President? Come on, Mr. President?
And the choice of music
No
is also
problem.
bizarre. What? What? You have a shield?
I'm coming home. Jody, tomorrow's gonna be another busy day at the White House.
Oh my god.
My fellow Americans, good morning.
Hey.
As Americans, we love freedom.
Yeah.
But true freedom isn't a given like the air we breathe or the water we drink.
This is surprisingly serious.
About 240 years ago, our forefathers fought greatly, giving their blood, sweat, and tears.
Uh-huh.
And in the end, they won our freedom.
Including that giant gold statue
And
that
we
you have.
must never forget this. If anything appears that threatens our belief in this freedom, we will oppose it. We will crush it. In
Right.
fighting to gain our freedom, we need no reasons.
Okay.
We require no just cause or flowery words. In order to protect our neighbors who love freedom and this faith in freedom,
There is so much freedom in the speech.
we continue to believe in our own justice.
Okay.
We won't abandon any battles.
Of course not.
And the reason is
I'm the president?
because we are all citizens of the United States of America.
Yes, I am!
And as long as you all will allow it, I will be a vanguard leading this fight.
Fantastic.
And the reason is
Because I'm...
because I'm the president of this great United States of America.
Great. Okay, that's fantastic. Right. Yeah, that's... I believe that's the end of it. Yeah, that's the final mission. Yeah, okay. Yes, fantastic. Alright. That's the end? Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the end. Okay, alright. Save. I'll save. Alright. There's no credit roll, there's no nothing. It's just back to the title. Alright. Okay, I guess I'll have to give my final commentary then. Well, no, I can't do it here. Okay. Yeah, it's time for me to give the final commentary on the game. So, wow. Yeah, I mean, I forgot that this is still a From Software game, where at the end this difficulty would curve like, boop, like that. It will not prepare you. It will not prepare you. It will not go hold your hand. It will not guide you to anything. It just, you got the controls, right? From Software is like one of those stern fires, like you got the controls, right? You're good, right? You know what to do, right? Okay, I'm gonna kick you off this cliff now. Pow, like that. So, pow. Oh my God. Okay, this game truly is a product of its time. Yeah, this game truly is a product of its time. You just can't, yeah.
Best of luck.
Yeah. You just cannot produce this kind of game. No, this is not. Then the back sound is too loud. You just cannot produce this kind of game here today in this era anymore. I mean, and here's the thing. The game has so much potential, but there's a lot of things that's holding it back. So it wants to do good, it wants to do right, but the design principles was not in its favor. Like for example, the boosting, which From Software would later on perfect in their what was it? Armored Core titles. They will perfect the boost system in Armored Core titles. The boost system would have been perfect if they had the Armored Core boost system implemented in this one. The final fight would not have been such a teeth-grindingly terrible and and difficult kind of affair. It would have been perfect, and it would have saved us and saved me a lot of situations. Where we didn't have to die so stupidly. But unfortunately, experiences are the best teachers. Just like me, just like From Software learned from their lessons, in Metal Wolf Chaos, and went on to create better video games in Armored Core. I learned too from creating videos and perfecting my commentary. They kept you coming back for weeks and weeks. So it's janky. It's janky. It's a little outdated. There's a lot of things that frustrates me that really shouldn't. But in the end, I'm glad I managed to get through. I'm glad that this game came into my life once, and it came back into my life again. And I'm thankful for From Software and Devolver Digital and General Arcade to agree to unleash this delightful monstrosity into the unwary public. Good for you, sirs. Okay, so yes, I believe that is all that I have for Metal Wolf Chaos XD. And on this time slot, I'm going to get a new video. So if you like that, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what kind of game I should play in the future. What kind of improvements I should do on the channel. I have new videos coming every Friday, so don't forget to hit that bell. Don't forget to hit that bell to stay updated. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that. And the reason is because I'm the president of this great United States. And we are all citizens of the great United States of America, even though you're not from this country. I'm feeling really patriotic. Thank you. Thanks for spending time with me. Bye-bye. Oh, man. Oh, my God. I don't know what game could possibly make me lol harder than this. Possibly what the golf, but I'm on a no laugh challenge in that. But that's why this is a little bit, get frustrating. But I still love you, Metal Wolf Chaos. You and all your jankiness. I wonder if I should pick up another nostalgia title after this. No. New title. I'll. Bye, guys.